Welcome to Currency Insights, and today I'm truly delighted to have Felix Ehrtmann here with me in the studio, who is Product Manager for Banknote Solutions. And today it's about the Green Banknote. So from what we've just seen, Felix, I assume it's about cotton, am I right?
Yes, indeed. So cotton is a natural and as such a renewable resource. And the properties and the durability of the cotton fibers are an excellent ingredient for sustainable banknote substrates. And although we already repurpose the short fibers coming from the textile industry in our banknote substrate, we're still asking ourselves how we can improve further. And in the Green Banknote, we therefore developed a new kind of fiber mix with organic cotton fibers. The organic cotton fibers, or the organic cotton plant, is grown without chemical fertilizers and pesticides, and blended together with FSC-grown wood pulp coming from responsible forestry in Europe. So the Green Banknote is therefore setting a new benchmark in terms of sustainability.
Now I'm curious, how did you achieve that? And how does the Green Banknote compare to other solutions on the market?
Yes, so we have taken measures in 4 different fields of actions, from paper making to foil production and also finally to printing, to reduce the emissions coming from raw materials while still having a highly durable finished banknote. So let's be a little bit more specific. Firstly, in the paper core, we have that new kind of fiber mix based on organic cotton fibers, which we blend together with up to 50% FSC certified wood pulp fibers. And this leads to a massively reduced carbon footprint compared to traditional conventional cotton fibers, or also, of course, compared to polymer-based materials. Then, secondly, we have the protective layer, which we apply on both sides of the paper core. This is a PET-based, very thin film. And of course, this also helps to protect all the features, the level 1, level 2, and level 3 features, which are embedded and which are only possible with cotton-based substrates. And here in the Green Banknote, we now managed to reduce that protective layer from 6 microns now down to 4 microns. So this means 30% less plastic compared to the previous version. And then, thirdly, we have a new upcycling approach for the carrier foil of our security threads and also our security patches. Here, for the first time now in banknotes, we achieved to have 70% recycled polyester in that carrier foil. So that's a novum in the industry. And we are using here post-consumer recycled material to make that carrier foil. Finally, we also have something new on the print side for the inks. So here, for the first time also in banknotes, we used mineral oil-free inks for the simultan printing of that note. And this also leads to less fossil resources needed for the inks, and therefore also an increased bio-based content of the finished banknote.
Okay, so let's talk about numbers. Do you have any about the positive effect such a banknote would make?
Yes, sure. So despite the quite complex manufacturing process and the materials, from the paper core to the lamination of the paper core, the security feature production, and the various printing steps, the results are quite impressive. So with the Green Banknote, we achieved to reduce the carbon emissions of up to 30% and also the plastic use of up to 86% compared to a polymer-based banknote. And the banknote of the future definitely has to be based on recycled materials and natural fibers, using renewable materials wherever possible. So is the Green Banknote the end of the line? Definitely not. Our goal is to bring the sustainable banknote of the future to life, and we therefore invite our customers and partners to join the Green Banknote initiative and make the cash cycle of the future greener together.
That was quite impressive, Felix. Thank you for giving us a heads up on what's possible today. And it's really great to hear how innovation in the currency sector can make such a valuable contribution. So thank you for this interview. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to see you to our next episode of Currency Insights.